Welcome to Spanish Quiz Academy. 60 questions, 7 seconds each. Where is the Sagrada Familia located?
Barcelona.
Where is flamenco from in Spain?
Andalucía.
What is this famous Spanish ham called?
Jamón ibérico.
Which football team is this?
Real Madrid.
What is this fried sweet called in Spain?
Churros.
What festival is this in Spain?
La tomatina.
What is the capital of Spain?
Madrid.
What is this Spanish dish called?
Tortilla española.
What do people say in Spain for car?
Coche.
With each New Year's chime in Spain, what do people do?
Eat grapes.
What Spanish cheese is this?
Manchego.
Who is the king of Spain?
Felipe VI.
What is this type of beach bar called in Spain?
Chiringuito.
Where does the running of the bulls take place?
Pamplona.
What are these Spanish bites called?
Croquetas.
Where is the famous Park Güell located?
Barcelona.
What is this coffee called in Spain?
Café con leche.
Which football club is this?
Barcelona.
What is this cold Spanish soup called?
Gazpacho.
Where can you find the Alhambra?
Granada.
Who is this famous Spanish painter?
Pablo Picasso.
What is this Spanish sandwich called?
Bocadillo.
What festival takes place in Valencia?
Las Fallas.
Which Spanish island is famous for nightlife?
Ibiza.
What are these potatoes called in Spain?
Patatas bravas.
Who is this Spanish tennis player?
Rafael Nadal.
Where is La Rambla located?
Barcelona.
What are these small fish called in Spain?
Boquerones.
What is this afternoon rest called in Spain?
Siesta.
What are these Basque snacks called?
Pinchos.
Who is this Spanish actress?
Penélope Cruz.
What do people say in Spain for computer?
Ordenador.
What are human towers called in Catalonia?
Castells.
What is this Catalan pasta-like dish?
Fideuà.
Who is this Spanish F1 driver?
Fernando Alonso.
What is this Galician dish?
Pulpo a la gallega.
What is this famous mosque cathedral?
Mezquita of Córdoba.
What are these Spanish meatballs called?
Albóndigas.
Where is the Palace of San Telmo located?
Seville.
What is this tropical fruit called in Spain?
Piña.
What is this Spanish fan called?
Abanico.
What is this Catalan food with tomato and bread called?
Pan con tomate.
What are these Easter processions called in Spain?
Semana Santa.
What is this traditional dish from La Mancha called?
Pisto.
Who is this Spanish basketball player?
Pau Gasol.
Where is Plaza Mayor located?
Madrid.
What do people say in Spain?
Aceitunas.
Who is this Spanish singer?
Enrique Iglesias.
This famous Spanish bull is also known as what?
Osborne Bull Symbol.
What is this drink made from tiger nuts called?
Horchata de chufa.
What do people say in Spain?
Fresas.
What is this Spanish Christmas nougat called?
Turrón.
What is this creamy dessert from Catalan?
Crema catalana.
Who is this Spanish footballer?
Sergio Ramos.
What do people say in Spain?
Zumo de naranja.
When do the three kings bring Christmas gifts?
January 6th.
What mountain range separates Spain and France?
Pyrenees.
What are these Catalan spring onions called?
Calcots.
What are these used in flamenco dancing?
Castanets.
What is this Galician dish?
Empanada.